Dear learners of a statistical arbitrage course, I'm here to announce one competition for everyone who have completed the course so far, completed in sense of doing the assignments, completing lectures, live lectures, and also completing all those exercises which your co-instructors have given. Now it is time that you have to participate in pair trading paper trade. And to make it more exciting, what we have decided is we are launching one competition. So let me explain you that competition first. So this is your pair trading competition. Me and my team is going to help you here participate in this competition and learn the things in the whole journey of this competition. So very quickly, this is starting at 26th April, this Monday, and it will end at 31st May. So 5 weeks paper trading you have to do. Deadline of the application will be apply before 25th April midnight. How you have to apply, I'm going to explain that. Eligibility criteria. So all pair trading learners who have all 3 lectures completed before 15th April. So before 15th April, if you have completed all the live lectures, I have though categorized them in different parts, but yes, in some batches we have taken 3 lectures, some in 4, some in 5 also, some in 6 also, depending on how many questions, queries which were coming. But the idea is, if you know how to generate the alerts, if you know how to backtest them, if you have done the co-integration testing, if you have also done the live lectures on risk management, trade management, and money management. So if all these things are covered, you have done all the assignments, you are eligible for this. And you should have been doing it before 15th April. Prize money. So not very exciting, I would say, but yes, first prize winner will get 11K, second prize winner will get 5K, but there will be 3 second prize winner. You have to play it fair, and obviously Team Valdian will have final right to decide the winners. This Team Valdian is nothing but all your co-instructors who have helped you so far, and I'll be also one of the judge. One has to follow all the rules and generate maximum return. So person with maximum return will deserve obviously the prize money. Rule 1. So now I'm going to define you 5 rules which you have to follow. So first rule is predefine your list of pair and z-score entry in each pair. What I'm trying to tell you here is we have given you within Indian companies around 40-45 pairs. But you also know, as I have taught you in money management, that most of the learners come up with a trading capital which is not, unlimited trading capital. So within a limited trading capital, you have to trade. So you have to predefine. You cannot say that I will randomly go and trade in all 45-50 pairs. Why you will not do? Let me explain that. Everything is probability based. What I have taught you in statistical arbitrage, or what I have taught you about behavioral finance, or what I have taught you about trading is like you have to maximize your probability of profitable trades. So you also know that when you have 45 pair, out of which 5 pair will not give profit in the previous year. But if 90% of the pairs are giving you profit, why not to trade into pairs? Second, out of every pair, you will generate certain number of trades, let's say 20 trades in a year. And you know that out of those 20 trades, 1 or 2 you have to book losses also. Again, if you can hit 85-90% strike rate there, why not to trade? They are leverage trades, derivative trades. So even if you have an accuracy of 75-80%, trust me, your return will be still humongous in trading, because you will be trading through the derivative markets with extra exposure. But the catch here is you cannot go random. So while participating in this competition, what I'm also teaching you is the rule of the game of pair trading as well. You should follow the similar way. That's why we have kept the competition in such a way that you have to first predefine your number of pairs you will be trading. So that if you have decided that 10 pair, you know that out of 10, if even 9 become profitable, it is completely fine for any year. And within those 9, if you get in every pair out of 15 trades, 20 trades, 90% success rate, you will still be in the profit. So that will be your rule number one. Predefine your list of pair, and also what you have to predefine as z-score entry. So at what z-score you will be entering into the trade. 2, 2.1, 2.2, 1.9, 1.8, you have to predefine. So when you will be sending the list, in that list you say that okay, this is the z-score at which I'll be entering into this pair. In another pair your z-score entry could be else. I have taught you what should be the z-score, but then that's not something which is written on the stone. Every trader is different. This is also what I have taught you. So we taught you the fundamentals, we taught you the rule of the game, we taught you statistics, we taught you a little bit of Python and how to change the code also. But we taught you one most important thing, that every trader is different and he should play on his strength and weakness. So define your pair list, which should be a maximum of 10 pair. Okay, and you have to submit it and give a rationale behind that. For example, my first pair could be Kotak HDFC Bank. Why? Because they have 95% correlation. With 95% confidence level, I can reject the null hypothesis that they are not highly co-integrated. And I also know the banking stocks. So that could be my reason that why I'm choosing Kotak HDFC Bank, for example. And let's say I'll keep the z-score entry of minus 2.1 to 2.1. So similarly, you have to make 10 pair. Your co-instructor will also help you identify these 10 pairs. Reach out to them. Rule number 2, margin money. So maximum margin money, or the hypothetical margin money which you will be using, is 15 lakh INR and not more than that. I'm not promoting here any broker. Use whichever broker you want to calculate the margin money. So every time you're going to take the trade, you should be knowing that what is the margin money which will get exhausted within that trade, so that you can make sure that you are not exhausting more than 15 lakh rupees. What I have thought is, if you are just trading within 10 pairs, 15 lakh margin money should be enough to take most of the trades. Rule number 3, risk management is optional. I have taught you how to do the risk management within the pair trading, but then here I have kept it optional. You want to do the risk management, you can do. If you don't want to do, you don't do. But then, as I always told you, trading is also about controlling the behavioral finance, and you can only also control your behavior only when you have predefined the rule. It should not be like, when randomly one day I want to do the risk management in Kotak HDFC Bank pair, another day I don't want to do it. So predefine it. If you are going to do the risk management in something, predefine it when you will be giving the list of the pair. Same thing with trade management. Within trade management, again, it is optional whether you want to do it or not do it among all the trades. But if you are doing it, so some people may say that, okay, I will take a trade at z-score 2.1, and if there is further divergence in the ratio, I'll take another trade and average out the trade. So if you are planning to do the averaging out in certain pair, predefine it. If you are planning to keep a strict stop loss and a strict profit, predefine that as well. Learn how to do it. This is what I have taught you as well. Rule 5. And if you think we have not taught you, please go back to your co-instructor or directly message me that Kundan, I still need to learn it. This is something where I'll be confirming that person who are participating, actually they know the rule of the game really well. Rule number 5, you have to email the trade at pair@wealthian.in, so that we can have the trail that, okay, you first send the trade, open trade, and then after 1 day or 4 hour or 3 hour, you have send the close trade rates. So email that, and your rate should not be more obsolete than 3 minutes. I mean, we are not doing real trading, so I'm giving you buffer time. If the rates which you have given, emailed, is even 3-minute old rate, it is fine. We will take that in consideration, but try to make it a fair play. If you are taking any trade, you have taken the rates or the screenshot, email that same rate in your trade. But up to 3-minute lag is something which we will consider. Now, how to participate? Send your entries at pair@wealthian.in by 25th of April, that I'm going to participate in this trade. Here is my list of pair. Here is my risk management declaration. Here is my trade management declaration in each pair. Name of your co-instructor and your registered mobile number, which you have given at the time of registering for a complete, not a complete course, registering for our course, which is pair trading course. So when you have registered here or you have paid via any link, just send the mobile number which you have given at the time of starting this course. So this is the rule of the game. This is paper trading. Few things I want to add here. See, you registered for this course. You have taken a route of becoming one aware trader, not like one who is going randomly in market and trading without any logic, without any rational, without any preparation, and depending on the tip sellers or making those negative elements of the market who are promoting trading aggressively and making people lose their money. The reason behind this paper trade, I will say, is your paper trade will be, so your course is not complete, trust me, if you're not doing the paper trade. See, whatever we have to do, we have done. We have taken this extra step so that you can feel motivated, feel motivated that let's do the paper trade, because only when you do the paper trade, you will realize few more real life mistakes. So instead of losing money in the market after learning, no trading strategy is a complete strategy. And even after you know everything in the well manner, you can still do mistakes. So do those mistakes on the Excel sheet instead of doing those mistakes in market and losing your hard-earned money. That's the only purpose why we are launching this competition, and that was the only purpose also behind launching the course. We at Wealthy always wanted to promote safe investing. But I know that traders are equally important in the ecosystem. They bring liquidity. They bring liquidity. They make market perfect. A statistical arbitrage is also one way of making the market perfect. So whenever you feel that market is imperfect, there is something which is a gap in the system, then as a statistical arbitrage trader, you enter into that and you fill that gap. Right? So anyway, I'm not going to repeat the whole class which we have covered for you. So here, please participate and participate in a fair manner. And you need any help, go to your co-instructor. They are still available for you. They will help you define your list of pair based on your personality as a trader as well. On that note, thank you, and I'll see your trades on pair@wealthyan.in. Thank you.